Welcome to The Harvest, where we learn, grow, and flourish. My name is Nyeisha, and today we're going to be talking about our cheesy tomato pasta recipe. It's a really cool recipe that has lots of cheese, it has lots of vitamin-packed veggies, and it's really fun for the kids too. But before we get into that, let's make sure we subscribe to this video and turn on our notifications bell as well, so we can make sure that you get updates when I post new content. And if you like more of my content, make sure you like, subscribe, and share my videos. And check out everything else I have on here as well, because I'm sure you'll be able to find something cool for you and your family. Now, let's get into making this meal. You'll need 1.5 cups of unsweetened almond milk, 1.5 cups of vegetable broth, 2/3 a cup of nutritional yeast, 4 mushrooms diced, 1/2 of a pint of cherry tomatoes halved, 3 cups of spinach, 1 cup of asparagus sliced, 1 medium-sized onion diced, and 3 cloves of garlic, as well as 2 tablespoons of tomato paste.